Gaudi's masterpieces pierce the sky. Culinary explosions tantalize your taste buds, and fiery flamenco ignites your soul. Barcelona offers more than just a beach vacation. Will you explore a cathedral that looks like it's sculpted from sand castles, or get lost in a maze of medieval alleyways? Join me on an unforgettable adventure to Barcelona, where artistic marvels meet vibrant culture, and excitement awaits around every corner. Sagrada Familia. Step into a world of architectural wonder at the Sagrada Familia, Gaudi's unfinished masterpiece. Imagine yourself standing in awe of its towering spires, marveling at the intricate details on the facade, and feeling the spiritual significance of this iconic basilica. This architectural marvel is a must-see for any visitor, and a testament to Gaudi's visionary genius. Parc Güell. Embark on a whimsical journey through Parc Güell, a public park designed by Gaudí, known for its fantastical architecture and breathtaking city views. Imagine yourself strolling through mosaic walkways, admiring the iconic salamander sculpture, and capturing panoramic vistas of the city below. This unique park offers a chance to experience Gaudí's creativity and escape the city's bustle. Picasso Museum. Delve into the artistic genius of Pablo Picasso at the Picasso Museum, housing an extensive collection of his early and formative works. Imagine yourself standing in awe before iconic paintings like Les Demoiselles d'Avignon and Guernica, gaining a deeper understanding of Picasso's artistic evolution and impact on modern art. This museum is a must-see for any art lover. La Boqueria Market. Indulge your senses at La Boqueria Market, a vibrant explosion of colors, aromas, and flavors. Imagine yourself sampling fresh fruits and vegetables, cured meats and cheeses, and local delicacies like jamón and churros. Don't be afraid to interact with the friendly vendors, soak up the lively atmosphere, and discover the culinary delights Barcelona has to offer. Barceloneta Beach. Relax and soak up the sun on the golden sands of Barceloneta Beach, a vibrant stretch of coastline bordering the city center. Imagine yourself swimming in the refreshing Mediterranean Sea, playing beach volleyball, or simply people watching and soaking up the laid-back atmosphere. This beach offers a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle, and a chance to enjoy Barcelona's coastal charm. Day trip to Montserrat. Embark on a day trip to Montserrat, a majestic mountaintop monastery offering breathtaking views and spiritual significance. Imagine yourself riding the Montserrat Rack Railway, marveling at the Benedictine monastery nestled amidst the mountains, and experiencing the tranquility of this sacred place. Montserrat is a perfect escape from the city, offering stunning scenery, spiritual connection, and the opportunity to witness the Black Madonna, a revered statue of the Virgin Mary. Barcelona, a city where artistic masterpieces inspire awe, vibrant culture ignites your senses, and captivating experiences await around every corner. You've experienced just a taste of what Barcelona has to offer, from Gaudí's architectural wonders to the Gothic Quarter's hidden gems, the passion of flamenco, and the thrill of Camp Nou.